In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Sinhala 2026 full guide. Creating great local language content shouldn't feel like a second job. If you've wrestled with clunky translation tools, rigid grammar rules, or messy font extensions, this guide will be a breath of fresh air. In 2026, ChatGPT offers smooth native support for major South Asian languages, and today I'll show you how to set up your interface, enable Sinhala input, craft prompts that capture authentic cultural tone, use real-time voice conversations, and organize your content for consistent quality, all in Sinhala. First, let's align the app with your language from the ground up. Open the official ChatGPT site in your browser and go to your user dashboard. Click your profile icon, open settings, choose the general tab, and find the language dropdown. Select Sinhala. This doesn't just change menus, it helps the system prioritize the right suggestions, spellings, and formatting conventions so your workspace naturally supports Sinhala from the start. Next, make sure you can type Sinhala effortlessly. On your phone, install Gboard from the App Store if you don't already have it. Then go to your device's language and input settings, open Gboard, tap languages, choose Add Keyboard, and select Sinhala. You can switch layouts anytime using the globe icon, moving between English, traditional Sinhala script, or a phonetic Singlish transliteration. If switching feels slow, try long pressing the spacebar for quick access. Type a short sentence to confirm everything renders cleanly. No more copy and paste gymnastics. Now let's get results that sound truly native. Literal translations can feel stiff, so give ChatGPT clear roles and style guidance. Open a new chat, switch your keyboard if needed, and try a prompt like act as an elite local linguistic expert and professional Sinhala content writer. Review the following text. Translate it smoothly into natural conversational Sinhala script, Sinadal, that maintains an authentic cultural rhythm, completely avoids robotic literal formatting, and structures the final output into a clean markdown table. Paste your source text below that, and you'll get output tuned to local nuance. If you prefer to hear the language, use advanced voice mode in the mobile app. Open your conversation, tap the sound wave or microphone icon, and grant microphone access. Speak in Sinhala, and ChatGPT will respond out loud with a natural accent. You can ask it to slow down, repeat, or provide alternate phrasings, great for refining pronunciation and cadence. Finally, keep your work organized. In Notion, Excel, or Google Sheets, ask ChatGPT. Act as an advanced data localization engineer. Generate a clean validation table template that I can copy straight into my personal workspace. Include mandatory tracking columns for English source text, Singlish phonetic phrasing, native Sinhala script, and contextual tone check, formal, informal. Below the table, provide 3 practical tips on catching typical AI translation grammatical anomalies before publishing. Copy that